Hi, I'm Kev and welcome to this week's Draw Along. Today, as promised last week, we are drawing Aquaman. So let's get started. Okay, let's begin drawing Aquaman. So we're going to draw him in kind of this triangle shape, and I'll put a triangle up now. See if that makes it easier for anyone to draw. Yeah, I'll kind of bulk him out as I've gone along here. I don't know if you notice with these videos, sometimes I end up going back on myself and drawing in the stick figures. But yeah, I've started bulking out whilst I'm going along and keeping that triangle shape. So even the torso from the shoulders to the feet is a triangle shape as well. I'll just bulk him out and make him look right. I weren't too happy with the hands with this one. Haven't done the best hands. It looks like he's trying to catch something. Maybe a fish. He's Aquaman. So when we draw the head looking up, I'll point this out whilst I'm drawing the head. Remember the head is kind of rounded shape. So if your eyes are looking up, the eye line is going to kind of go with the contortions of the face. So we can see that the ears are still on the eye line with Aquaman, but they're further down the head as well. Went in quite thick with the lines today as well. So there's a lot of foreshortening going on in this piece. So on to the inking. So I tidy things up whilst I'm inking usually, so I add little extra bits and pieces here and there. So we can see underneath the nose, so there's going to be shadow underneath the nose as well when we go on to the colouring stage. And when he's smiling, again, because he's looking up, we got that top lip's got a kind of curve around with the face, like with the way the skull goes. Just thinking, so for the arms as well, so where I've done the biceps and triceps, I've done like these squiggly lines. I've gone kind of done Jack Kirby sort of thing there to make, rather than adding the detail to the muscle, I've just implied that's where the muscles join. If you watch cartoonist kayfabe, they'd say I've kayfabed the muscles. So there we go, yeah, I'm going in and fixing them. So Aquaman's got nice big gloves, so it means you can hide a lot of things behind them. So that's a way of cheating, especially with this kind of pose. You can kind of cheat and make hide half the arm and stuff. And with a bit of shadowing, and now onto the colours. So I've done the flats to begin with, and kind of like what I did in the Wonder Woman video, I'm just going to shade it kind of blocky and with different tones to kind of 3D it up a bit. Like there we go, the different tones. As well. So yeah, I'll just use different shades of the same colour. Same with the skin tones. Okay, yes, just some darker tones there for the skin colour, for the shading on the skin. I go in with some highlights, the hair, and then same on the gloves, darker on the gloves, and then I'll go in and add some highlights as well to that. So yeah, I want to apologise, this video is a bit rushed this week. I usually do like a little thing at the beginning of the video saying a bit about Aquaman. I haven't had a chance to this week, so my apologies for that. Going in and adding some of the shading on the belt, so the belt's kind of golden. Aquaman's costume is quite shiny because it's supposed to be like a fish, isn't it? So I think I should have added more shine to his shirt, but this could be a 70s drawing of Aquaman where our colouring isn't best. There's some glimmer added as well. Okay, that's it. We drew Aquaman. Yeah, a much shorter video this week. If you've drawn along, please send them along to me at Kev's Draw Along on Instagram. Next week we won't be drawing a Justice League member. We'll move on to something else. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing. Bye bye.